today we're gonna actually be cracking this thing open. I won it in a raffle, and the tickets were like $2 or something. So this thing cost me like $6. You guys have seen me cook with my Walmart brand Ozark grill before out on the trail, but we're actually going to give this thing a try today, and we're going to see how much better it is, and we're going to see, I mean, if it is better. We're going to be cooking a couple T-bone steaks today, along with some asparagus and potatoes, so we'll see how she goes. So you got to take the top off to be able to put these on, which go right here, which that's kind of a pain, but once it's put together, I guess it's put together. Got the legs on, so it's a little elevated now. And time to see what's in these boxes. I get the, so it's probably the grease trap. Box number 2. Real men don't look at directions for the parts. Okay, so that's for the propane. Good. Okay, so this thing goes on the grease trap like that, and then it just hooks on the back of the grill. Kaboop! Perfecto. And then the finishing touch. We're gonna go just like that. Time to screw the propane in. So yeah, so this is my old Ozark one. I'm doubting that'll fit in here, but whatever. Yeah, there's a little bit of propane in there. Oh, there we go. Now it's on. Yeah. I never used a flat top before, so this will be kind of cool. Try one of these Blackstone potatoes right here. Not too bad. Come on. There we go. Looking good. Cooking nice, cooking straight. I like it. I know a lot of people are bougie about their steaks, and I know I'm probably not doing this right, but it's meat, and I'm cooking it, and I'm gonna eat it, so there you have it. I think we're just about done with these bad boys. Throw them on the plate. All the way around the griddle, the heat stayed pretty even, so you don't have hot spots anywhere or anything like that. I don't know if it's gonna replace my little Walmart Ozark one, just because it doesn't fit in my deck drawer. But I love it, and you definitely can't beat the price for, I think it was $5 or $6 that I got it for, so I didn't light anything on fire and I didn't burn anything, so that's good. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.